Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. I'm a football insider, will be one of our monitoring spirits. Don't come outside and let us know, say Dominic Calvert-Lewin don't reason some of his teammates for Everton, say at the end of the summer, say he would like to go join Arsenal. So don't let them know in ambition. I don't know how the team they leak. The team don't go around. Everybody don't know him because I know say Arsenal says still get plan for the guy because Arsenal like the guy. The guy there for Arsenal wish list, but they never discuss anything because he get when Everton hierarchy come the para. So who tell the media say Dominic Calvert-Lewin won't join Arsenal, this and that. They know like it's very disrespectful. The guy still get contracts for Everton. Yeah. They just they complain. But now at the end of the summer, we will really know what's in the sub because I know say moving forward, Arsenal need different profile of players. We will give them different dimensions of attack. So and because we will play many competition next season, imagine playing a cup, EFL Cup, FA Cup, Champions League and EPL. You need many players. Like I'm relying on 2 strikers. You need more than 2, like 3 strikers. So I never even know whether Arsenal will still give Nketiah a new bumper contract. I mean they will leave and make him go. Many things they unresolved, and at the end of the season, we will really know where everybody stands. At the same time, Manchester Evening News don't come outside and let us know say Arsenal they in the battle to sign Ruben Neves of Wolves. You know say Arsenal did there, Manchester United did there, Chelsea self did there because Chelsea they really say either they go for Declan Rice or they go for Ruben Neves. So I believe say if Arsenal enter Champions League slots, there will be a better proposition than Manchester United. Because anybody will come Arsenal, no say if him come and you play well, coach go play. You don't say go the language for Benjamin. As long as they give you chance, you show yourself. Why not? Why coach no go play you? And me personally, I like that Ruben Neves. I like the guy. If the guy there for our midfield, the guy will confirm. Imagine pairing the Ruben Neves and Partey, make 2 of them just play. And the guy like a deep line playmaker, outside shot, boom, the bomb bam. No be this one wey Shaka dey do once in a while. Him na regular, he dey bomb net. I'm a surprise, UEFA don dey set to scrap Champions League double-legged semi-final tie. You know say normal before semi-final na home and away. So now UEFA dey reason say for 2024 they wan bring a new format to get. You see that home and away, they will cancel and then they will come play a single tie for a single city in a single week. Na the new format for 1 week. All the semi-finalists they will travel go one particular location where they choose. It can be Lisbon, it can be Rome, it can be anywhere. They will go there, go play all the matches in 1 week. You get? I don't know how they want to do it. Everybody will just get their days. So they will go play the match. So they will go there, play. How it will be, I don't really know. But I know say they will do them in a way. Say you know go come hamper the progress of those clubs or league, or maybe even if they hamper and they'll just get outstanding matches. Later they will choose a later date to play. I never know how it will be. But now the new changes be this say the semi-final tie will be cut into a single tie and they will play it in a particular location in a particular week. All of them. So well, but they say as everything will turn out. About Ruben Neves, will be Saliba agents. Don't come and when they talk about Arsenal, about how they talk about Saliba. So Baba when they talk say as things stand now, see they never know the plans where Arsenal gets for William Saliba. You get say they very important. Make Arsenal let them know where them stand for the guy. So that thing will be agent now go know how he go take prepare the guy and which club would be beneficial to him because Atletico they cry say they need him, Marseille they cry highest say they need him. Arsenal self they never really say their mind. So Arsenal now don't set for one kind of meeting according to the agency. Then go meet Arsenal in the coming days. Make them sit down, make them plan the future. Say okay, waiting they sup. So I really need this guy. More no just go carry and go for Benjamin. I really need them. If I don't really need them, blessing now collect back for person we need them more. And not too long ago, I talk say Arsenal they explore possibilities of cashing in on Saliba because Saliba did like this now. The guy get like 2 years left on the contract, so it depends on what happen next. Before you know now, 1 more year don't remain, and Arsenal they planned for a contract renewal, but they extend in contract. Whether Saliba will agree, that's a $1 million question. We don't really know because nobody likes to stay on the bench. Not after you've entered the French national team and taken Marseille to Champions League slots. Because that's the guy comes to Benjamin or saying many things they more they watch. After the meeting, I will let you know what happened. Still on the meeting matter, so Mikel Arteta don dey set to hold talks with Nicolas Pepe. You know say Pepe no dey for him plan this season and next season sef with the reinforcements wey we wan buy We never know what he go sup with Pepe. So in with Pepe, they will get sit down to let them say, okay, Pepe, what is the way forward? What are your plans? We want move you on, oh, even if not 25 million pounds to see if anybody go come collect you, we go collect. Oh. So what will be your own personal agenda? You want to remain here, and if you remain here, chances they say that Benjamin member you go be. Abi you won't go outside, all those kind of Newcastle, go join them, all those kind of small teams where they better, go join them, whether I go play very well for them. What will be your plan? So after them do the meeting, come know the way forward. Then me I go let you know, and at the same time make I even ask you now, what you not think so if you do this baby? Because this guy 70 million pounds not be being so at the end of the day he no live up to expectation. We took a gamble on Pepe, he no work out. That's the thing why I always talk. Take a risk, you either get a reward or you get losses. So it is what it is. So if now if you coaching now, what you go do for this Pepe? She go keep am with Benjamin. I'm not telling me fine square root, no collect money, goes buy another player. On my very that spirit wey they call team talk sef, come they let us know say Saliba won't return to Arsenal, come fight for him place. You get say the reason say he won't come out. Now wetin me sef I want to dey hear, no be say you go come dey threaten Mikel Arteta say you no wan come stay for Benjamin o, yeah. Come fight for your place, come let us know say yes you dey worthy of a place. And I trust Mikel Arteta, there are no sacred cows in Arsenal. Arteta na one person be say if you enter and you play well, he go leave you there. That's what I like. You see the partnership of Gabriel Magalhaes and Ben White, why the reason say okay, Saliba don't go fit break am. If Saliba can't come Arsenal now, maybe Gabriel Magalhaes get injury, Saliba can't play, can't pair Ben White, or maybe Ben White get injury, Saliba can't pair Gabriel Magalhaes, can't play very well. Wallahi, that Ben White be there for Benjamin. That is what make me like Arteta. Nobody get permanent starting shirts. If you do any, I go see any. That's why I like the guy. At the same time, the Mirror will be one of our monitoring spirits. Don't come, they let us know say Bellerin don't decide say he no won't come back to Arsenal. Say he won't join Real Betis permanently. Say he will join them because they will give him playing time. They enjoy staying there. He don't stay more than 10 years for Arsenal. So why not go back to Arsenal? If you go back to Arsenal, say Benjamin I be name because there is no way he can dislodge a Tomiyasu wey dey there. So a good man stay for where he did, they enjoy himself. So me if I like him and make Arsenal just cash in on the guy. Me don't let him go for free. Because many people don't go for free. What they happen now? Say they run charity. So they cash in any amount, just collect money. So Charlie Watts will be one of Arsenal correspondents, that powerful journalist in B. I need the rights for goal.com. So Charles Watts don't come outside the talk say Thomas Partey can come back anytime soon before the season go end. Saying discuss with somebody with very close to Thomas Partey, but Thomas Partey can't. The content and say almost say the guy in the run for treadmill, they train hard. Like he want to make sure saying come back, help Arsenal get this Champions League slot. And one record that Thomas Partey gets, they say Thomas Partey gets this likelihood of coming back from injury ahead of schedule. You get in the do for Atletico Madrid, don't do for Arsenal before. If they talk say Thomas Partey can be out of for 6 months, before you know after 2 months don't come back. But then it's almost are they here, are they ready and fit to play? What is the sub now? Coachy, alpha, physios. I want play. So now the kind of person will be well more the watch. All the guys don't come and come talk about the chants, the various chants where the fan base they do for some kind of players. You see they get chants for Bukayo Saka and Emil Smith Rowe. They will say Saka and Emil Smith Rowe. Where they will sing, and what they can't do for Arteta, you get. Where they say Mikel Arteta, say he knows what he wants, he's taking us to Champions League, yeah. All those kind of songs, say he like him, say he never know the one with them go create for him, but say he might not do this yeah, but he go leave everything for the fans' hand, the fans go decide. He just want me that the chance name, nobody who no go like him, like they play like 60,000 capacity stadium, they hear your chant, everybody they sing your name, come on man. You go bust your brain now, I gonna give you goosebumps. If you don't tire, I go run more. It go ginger you, go ginger your spirit. Now so it just be. Liverpool and Man City don't join the battle to sign Cody Gakpo from PSV. This one we say these two heavyweights they don't join now. Now we say you just Arsenal go physically sign the guy because Arsenal they didn't say they need the winger, making can replace Pepe because Pepe is likely to go. But for me, I would say make them go look for somebody where they known, like this Saint Maximin of Newcastle. You know, say Newcastle they buy more reinforcement. Now the guy they save for Benjamin because of people they don't they buy. So and in time now, once this season enter, they will buy more. And once they buy more, that guy will be star before he go turn Benjamin member. So carry that guy. That guy get presence. Get the guy be like Zaha. The guy get presence. Even the football for the wing. One on one, anybody you go collect. Don't be say then talk. I believe the guy die. So don't be like say Saka don't fit dey play all the whole matches now. Next season we can't afford to be depending on Saka. Don't they depend on what's the sub now? Don't be dependent on like that this season. So now my prayer be that I'm gonna bring somebody else with the hotter than Saka self. Don't be say one on one anybody you go collect. Now my prayer be that. Tammy Abraham himself don come outside from media setting when they ask him about a movement to Arsenal and other clubs. So Baba come talk say they hear the news, say they see people they talk about am, say that one I know the busting play, know they disturb am, but in happiness be say for them to dey interested in him, say they wan sign am. Even though Roma don put 67 million pounds, abi 70 million pounds for him head to pursue people, say okay, man I no sign am, man I leave our boy. He say they happy because it shows say him dey do something great for Roma. Even though they do something good, nobody go come the business and say they wan sign am. Say go continue to do that thing wey him dey do in the best way wey him sabi. So me sef I just dey watch everything. We never know last whether Arsenal go sign Tammy Abraham because now wey be say he don go prove himself for Roma because they dey interested. So we collect am that time wey be say him just wan comot for Chelsea. Shebi for make sense. At least nobody complain say like I said don play 1 million matches, no score goal, all those kind of complain. At least we go get somebody there. Well, we dey watch now. End of the season. Shebi na 5 games remain now. After 5 games now, transfer window don open. We know wetin dey sup. We know which which player dey enter. And if we come get this Champions League slot, make a bust una brain. You see all these people dey linked to. If you come and say we just scrap all of them, throw it for corner. More better names, world-class names we come dey enter because then we don hold the Champions League slot. So we don hold the holy grail of club football. What people are looking for. Say okay, Baba, how far? You wan join us? See Champions League goal. You wan join us? They'll just dey run dey come. Our Luis Saha don come outside, come dey scatter social media. So Baba come dey talk say this Gabriel Jesus now wey Arsenal wan sign. Say the guy no be the right person wey Arsenal suppose to dey go for. Say he's not a world-class striker. He's not that prolific. He doesn't have killer instinct. Say what Arsenal dey go reason the guy for. Say the guy na somebody wey say he sabi link up play, but he no sabi burst net. Me I no come right. No be the same person score 4 goals against Watford. Against Real Madrid, no be the killer instinct him take score. Wey say in contest ball, come dey sharp, kpakpa, boah. What's the match now? Many people dey praise am. Ferdinand don come outside praise Alan Shearer. Many people don. He are right. People dey praise the guy. So I don't know where Saha dey come from. Whether na I no just know. I don't want to call am jealousy or envy, but I don't understand where he's coming from. All he's saying is make Arsenal no go for the guy. Say he no get killer instinct. Say he no be good striker. Say he dey for Man City. They keep out Benjamin. Why they no go keep out Benjamin? You are in Man City and you have a Kun Aguero in front of you. You want bench Aguero? Come on now, let's call a spade a spade. Aguero was hot. Aguero na killer. You want to compare Aguero with Jesus? Why they whine me like this now? So maybe now where they come from. I don't know what you not think. When I subscribe to the line of thought of Luis Saha, when they talk say no go for Gabriel Jesus, say he no get killer instinct, say he no be world class striker, he no dey good, he no dey this and that. What you not think? At the same time, Mikel Sylvester sef don come outside dey talk say make Arsenal send Saliba out on loan again. Send him out on loan again because e no go make sense. See now, the guy don help Olympique Marseille enter Champions League slot. He don enter France national team squad. Now he's coming back to Arsenal, and if he comes back, he's not going straight into the first team. There is no way he go dislodge Ben White and Gabriel Magalhaes according to wetin Mikel Sylvester dey talk. They are still stand like this now. If he come, number one, if it will be the 4th in the pecking order of centre backs, because don't forget Arsenal still have a Rob Holding. So after Ben White, Gabriel Magalhaes, you have a Rob Holding. Then you now add a Saliba. Pablo Mari, mo just hope say that one go back to Udinese. Trust the whole side from America. Mo just hope say that one go go out on loan. So we'll be left with 4 centre backs. So how Saliba go take enter the first team? If he come Arsenal, forget what he do for Marcelo. Marcel no be Arsenal. French league and EPL no be the same. So they no go judge you based on that pedigree. Though we know say you don't improve small. So when you come here, you can start from the Benjamin. Then they go try you in a few games. Maybe somebody get injured, they play you, or for cup, they play you. They can't play you. May God come forgive me, say you can't go do bad. You know, can't play very well. The Benjamin will come long, and it will be a step backward according to Mikel Sylvester. If Saliba comes from Marseille to Arsenal and comes and stays in the bench, it will be a very long way backward. So it will make sense. Say, make them renew contracts, then send him out on loan again. He's very young. He should still be developing. There's still time for him to play for Arsenal. There should be no pressure. If na Marcel, even Marcel President Pablo Longoria, they talk say, give us our boy, give him to us on a season-long loan again. So send him out on loan again. No, I don't reason all these things with Sylvester they talk. And for me, it can't be like say they make sense somehow, because this Saliba now, what is the guarantee say if he come now, he go stamp a place, hold the authority for that centre back position, dislodge one of Gabriel Magalhaes and Ben White? How is it going to happen? And you cannot dislodge Gabriel Magalhaes because his towering figure is helping us with cross and nod. Why you think say they never score us corner this season? Magalhaes follow now. He's a towering giant. He's a rock of Gibraltar here. That's why people cannot nod against us. You get no corner. Nobody don't score corner this season. You get, so you can't cut away that if they say that Saliba did, they know how, they go don't know that. So I don't know how I see all these things as they play out. What do I think is supposed to be the way forward for William Saliba? Let me know for the comment section. So if you know watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now game out.